Introducing manual vertical hydraulic broaching machine. Available in 4 models: 3 ton, 5 ton, 10 ton, 12 ton. Machines built with
casting construction and rigid design,
with calibration report to ensure high precision. Adapted with latest technology and PLC developments. Manual hydraulic broaching machine allows
universal broaching applications, cost-effective, compact design, ideal for low volume and small size components. Different broaching patterns like round broaching, keyway broaching, profile broaching can be done with this machine.
Inquire now for more details.